Hello guys, this is Help&Tech&You. On your streaming career, once you probably encountered the problem when OBS display capture shows only a black screen. OBS Studio currently one of the best streaming software which you can use for many solutions. This video is mostly for Windows users and you may need to go to some additional settings or do a major change. So let's see how you can solve this problem. First one, and probably the most basic one, where you might find it a little bit frustrating, but just restart OBS or your Windows. A simple restart will end all of the tasks, and after starting again, the program which may cause the problem will not occur again. The second step, or we can say it's the first step, is updating the OBS Studio and your Windows. We know updates are crucial, but sometimes we forget about it or we read something that this is not the right one. Let's go to the OBS Studio Helps and check for updates. After that, you can see I need an update too. Let's click on Update Now, and that's it. The second one is go to the Windows Updates on the settings side and click on Check for Updates. After that, if you have a new version available, just let the computer do the job. You may need to do some additional updates, like on your graphic driver or on Intel or AMD chipsets. After the updates, we can go to the next step, which is selecting the display capture method. You can do it by right-click on the display capture, click on Properties, and on the capture method, choose Windows 10. The third step is select OBS graphic preference. For those who have two video cards, one integrated and one dedicated, it can be a notebook or PC which CPU has an integrated graphics card. This problem mainly is by the conflict of the two cards, or we can say adapter. It has many advantages, but primarily for energy saving for notebooks. Let's imagine you playing on a laptop, then that picture generated by the dedicated GPU, while OBS Studio wants to capture the integrated GPU. In most cases, Windows realizes which adapter is used, but many times Windows cannot decide which one to use for the OBS Studio. Therefore, right now, we need to determine in the graphic settings. So let's open up the settings, then in the search bar type in graphic settings. Then the following window will pop up. Click on Browse, type the following address, and click on OBS 64. Click on End. Then the OBS Studio will occur in the preferences. Click on it and choose the options. After that, we will like to use the high performance version. This PC only has one graphics card, but the options like power saving and high performance are the same. So choose the high performance and click on Save. And probably you're good to go. The following step is about permissions. If you're not installed the program properly in the program files folder or some places, the software may face with the conflict of permissions. It can be a read-only folder or a Windows account that does not have the essential permissions to run properly the software. In this situation, your only job is to right-click on the OBS Studio icon and choose Run as Administrator. Are you still facing with the problem of the black screen? Then let me know in the comments, and you should check out the help.you.com article where you can find other important solutions. Thank you, goodbye.